Well, my poor bike is a little bit beat up right at the moment, but I got the Ant BMS working, and so I'm Bluetooth enabled. Not that I'm going to be carrying my phone or riding my bike or anything, but let's get the Ryson motor up and running there. All right, we're at 80 volts. Hopefully I can go for, well, I don't know. Let's see how far I could go. You know, I got a helmet on. I'm gonna, you know, wear it. There's a lot of crazy assholes on this road. Goes up to Mount Baldy if I were to go like 20 miles, which I don't know how far the bike will make it, so yeah, that's risky. I may not go that far, but I'm gonna get my OJ, lock up my track, ready to rock and roll. All right, now for the sake of no helmet cam, I'm a little uncomfortable, but it's a lot better than trying to carry the other camera. This is the first time I've had an actual camera that I could even stick in a helmet. My other camera won't fit. So let's turn her up. I'll just turn her up all the way. I got it set on 5 levels. Let's go. Draws down to 70. Draws down 10 volts to pull at full speed. So I don't want to kill this battery too quick. I want to actually go for a ride, so I'm not going to pull it dead too fast. Beautiful day for a ride. I mean, yeah, I'm not up here to race, you know, I'm just up here to cruise. Look at that. See the birds? It's already giving me an alarm. It says we're going 55, but I don't know about that. Maybe like 35. I don't think I can take that turn at 55. Or would I want to? I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna die. Anyway. Get to the top of this, I'm going to check this profile. This is a good bike. I really like this bike. You know, not many things will climb like this. Well, God, I hope that recorded. That was awesome.